Hi, everybody. This is your fearless leader here. This is the second time recording this. I had it set at 5 frames per second and it jumped around so much I couldn't figure out why. So now I'm recording this again at 30 frames per second, which is what it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is our monthly update for March. And we got a lot of great stuff going on. I can't believe I have to go through the big collaboration again. It's a lot of information. So the first thing that I want to announce is our big collaboration with LineDotArrow and Nonstop Papercrafts. So this is our quarterly large collaboration between the two. There's 3 kits from each designer, one in color, one in sepia, and one in black and white. So you're going to have 6 kits to choose from, one in each color, and one in each color. Let's just call them colors, and or lack thereof. Okay, and this is going to run from the 3rd of the month of March until the end of the month, which I believe is the 31st. And it's the same as before, except for there's 6 Facebook groups now. So there's going to be 6 drawings, so you're going to get a chance to win one of 18 prizes. Or actually, you could win 6 of 18 prizes, because you can win once per group as long as you enter your posts in each and every group. If you're not a member, I know that Suzanne's Nonstop Papercrafts group is new, so you may not be a member there yet. So you want to go over there and join, and then put your posts over there too. Okay. And then the other groups are regulars, I guess you'd call it. LineDotArrow Junk Journal group, and Nonstop Papercrafts Junk Journal group or Facebook group, Haystack's Crafty Corner Facebook group, Two Sisters Jam Facebook group, Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and Junk Journals Tutorials and More Facebook group. Okay, so the way you enter is you post a picture or a video of your project or your flip through on each of the Facebook groups. Now, you don't have to post on each one if you don't want to, but you won't go in that drawing if you don't post on that group. So you might as well just take a minute and just post your picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in all the groups, and then you've got an entry in all the groups. Make sure you use a hashtag in your entry, and as far as I know right now, it's going to be hashtag #BuzzinToSpring, and that's going to be, of course, all one word. And also, this is what we need to know, and I really would appreciate if you guys would do it. If you use the, there's going to be freebies. Of course, as usual, there's going to be 3 or 4 freebies each week from LineDotArrow and Nonstop Papercrafts. So you have to go to their YouTube. Well, you can go to their YouTube channels and go to their Ko-Fi shops to get their free downloads, or you can go to the Facebook groups, the 2 Facebook groups, to get their downloads. Now, separately, and you can only get them at our Facebook groups, are a freebie a week, one in black and white, sepia, and color per week. So that's 3 from each group. So that's 3 times 4 is 12, plus the ones from Nonstop Papercraft and LineDotArrow. And you can get those every week. You have to be in the group to get them. You can't go to Sweet Pea Papers and get Two Sisters Jam, freebies. You have to go to each group to get them. This is the standard way that we've been doing it. It's just that we have an extra group because it's the quarterly collaboration with Nonstop Papercrafts, so their Facebook group, her Facebook group, is included. Now, every week on the YouTube channels, Nathalie and Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts, Nathalie's from LineDotArrow, will post a video on how to use the freebies in a project or a challenge. So you can do what they do, you can not do what they do, you can do whatever you want. And you can use either the freebies, the papers, or a combination thereof. Now, When you also at the beginning of the month, which is going to be the 3rd, there's going to be a flip through posted on each YouTube channel for LineDotArrow and Nonstop Papercrafts with flip throughs of the kits. Okay, so it's going to be quite a few. It's like 60 something pages in each kit. If you put together all of the versions, the sepia, the black and white, and the color, then so you should go watch that for the flip through, because I'm not going to do a flip through of the kit, in my first video of my project, because there already is one. You can go watch it there. Then, like I said, the beginning of the week, you can get their freebies, which there's going to be 2 or 3 freebies in all 3 versions that you can get from there. Then you're going to have 1 freebie from each of the other 4 groups that you can only get at that group, and each one's going to have a sepia, a color, and a black and white version to it. So you're going to actually get 3 freebies in the other 4 groups, which is going to be another 12. Whew. And of course, there's 6 drawings. And to enter, you need to, I think I said this partially and then had to go back and tell you something else. But to post your picture or your video, 1 per, I would do 1 per picture, and get a lot more entries if you have multiple pictures of your one project, or if you have multiple pictures of multiple projects. Then I would do that and break them up. Use the hashtag Buzz into Spring. And then it's important that you tell us whether you used the freebies, a combination of the freebies and the papers, or just the papers. Okay, because that way we know whether to give you 1 entry per post or 2. If you use just the freebies, you get 1 entry into the drawing. If you use the freebies and the kits, then you get 2 entries per post. And if you use just the kits, you also get 2 entries per post. The closing is March 31st, and then we usually have the drawing within 2 or 3 days after that to post the winners of the 6 drawings. And each group has the listing or the video of their respective drawings. So let me look over here real quick and make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, 18 prizes. And the freebies from LineDotArrow and the groups, got that listed of the groups. So all these links are going to be below this video for you, so that you can make sure to get over there. Now, we're just going to have, or I'm just going to have in this update, because the videos haven't been posted until, they won't be posted until the 3rd, because that's when the collaboration and the posting and everything starts. Then I'll have a direct link to the flip through videos and the first how-to video at that time. They haven't uploaded them yet, of course, because it starts on the 3rd. So I don't have a link to the specific video. All I have is a link to the LineDotArrow YouTube channel and the Nonstop Papercrafts YouTube channel. But if you just check there on the 3rd, you know what I mean, you're going to find the link anyway. So one thing I didn't mention is when you make your post, the other thing I would like for you to do in Sweet Pea Papers and in Junk Journal tutorials and more, at least, if you're a design team member, please, please, please put that in your post, along with your hashtag and used freebies and whatever, so that I know not to enter you into the drawing. But post, please post. If you are a guest design team member or a group ambassador from LineDotArrow, then you can enter into the contest, and so you don't have to put anything on your posts. But please, design team members, post, and I'll put a link to the list of the design team members. So you got to make sure to go and see their videos and posts, so that you can see those extras for the month as well. That's so much stuff. You're going to have to pause it and go back through. I just know it. Now, the other thing is we're going to have 4 projects this month. Yay, 4 projects. The first one is well, actually, we're going to have 5 because we're going to have the flip through for Winter Cottage is going to be on the 1st, which is tomorrow. Then starting on the 2nd will be Slim Industrial Grunge, which is a Sweet Pea Papers project. And it is 11 1/4 by 5 1/2. And the 5 1/2 includes the tabs. So the pages are actually smaller than that. So it is slim. And it is tall. Okay, I don't know. The camera focuses on it better. I have a brand new camera. It's a Logitech Brio. And so I'm hoping the picture is going to be a lot better. And I can see better too because I have new glasses. And, oh, I forgot to, oh, I'll show you that in just a second. And then we're going to start our really cool, and I'm really excited about this, our 3-part project called Steampunk Journey. And you're going to like it. The first one that's going to be shown in the month of March is Steampunk Journey ring-bound journal, and it's a small journal. It's 4 by 6, and it's got lots of metal, and you're going to really like it. And so that's going to be the first section of 24 videos. So I believe it's 6 videos, and of the 24, and hopefully you'll like it. See, there's a little charm here, and there's lots of gears and stuff on here, and there's lots of gears and stuff inside the book. Okay, then sneak peek, there's also a full-sized book in the thing, and this will be in April. Sneak peek. And there's also a tall slim in this series too. Sneak peek. All right, so we're going to do that. We're also going to be doing I'm going to be doing an ephemera video. I got papers that are not doing what I want. We're going to have an ephemera video on the 25th for the Facebook group For the Love of Paper. And it's going to be on making ephemera, which is not normally my strong suit, but I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. It's about an hour long. So that's pretty much it for this group update for the month of March for the year 2024. In case you're watching this some other time, sometime in the future, you can still go back and go to the Facebook groups and look up the hashtag and probably still get the freebies if I'm not mistaken. So you won't miss out on that. You can still get the freebies for your projects. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next monthly update. Okay, all right, I'll see you then. Have a great month. Bye-bye.